This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Florida living, pool, golf, boat ramps and beaches nearby. And just a quick drive to Space Center, Port Canaveral, Orlando and Melbourne. Lots of windows to enjoy the gorgeous setting. Formal living boasts triple sliders to invite the outside in. Formal dining room. Fourth bedroom is perfectly placed for a home office. Well-designed kitchen west/island breakfast bar and pass-through window to patio. Breakfast nook west/budded glass to enjoy the views any time of day. Kitchen opens to great room. Huge screened pool enclosure west/lots of covered area plus open deck space. Gorgeous mosaics in pool. Indoor laundry and oversized 2-car garage. 3 full bathrooms, 1 west/pool access. Primary has sliders to patio, 2 walk-in closets plus linen closet. Large ensuite west/separate jetted tub and shower. Double vanities, private water closet. Paver driveway, walkway, and patio deck add elegance and charm. Location on the golf course is ideal for views and privacy. Public golf course west/restaurant and full bar. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.